this is me, Julian, and today it's TikTok Tuesday. Today's app is Toca Kitchen 2. This is what the main title screen looks like. Here's all the people that we can get. So I'm going to press the girl. And we can press here. There's lots of food we can feed these guys. Get this and don't forget, ask permission. There's a lot of stuff that you can cook. After when you get the fun, you can get this and you can do anything. So I'm gonna feed this girl part of this. Shit, you had to eat it, girl. You had to eat it. Okay, you're gonna eat it with ketchup. You had to eat it with ketchup. You're a big girl. Okay, now start. Go in there. Oops. There. In. Oops. Back. I'm gonna make it as a drink, okay? This is gonna be very exciting. Come on! There we go. It's gonna be so gross. She's gonna. We will give him noodles. Noodles help. So, boy. Now we're gonna be serving noodles and we put them in the. Okay, since the noodles done, he has to blow on it so it doesn't be too hot. So I'm gonna let him chop. And this one is gonna go in here. There we go. It's almost done. There we go, and it's done. It's gonna be. And we're gonna put it in the oven. We have to wait until they. Okay, it's done. Let's get it out and go there. Let's feed him. He's gonna serve it. Wait, he likes it? I didn't notice that. You like the app? You do? I like it too. Because the monster really pukes, burp, whatever. We're gonna see who's the winner in the Minecraft contest. Don't peek in. Don't know what's behind. What did it say, Daddy?
It says Zoe Maria Mom.
Woohoo! So she's the winner for today's Minecraft. We'll contact you on shipping details. Thanks for playing. Don't worry, there'll be more contests later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Okay, exploding time.